600. Brake. Brake. We take the step. We need. Okay. This is better.
What is in here on the train now?
Huh?
Okay, we leave him.
Yeah, we leave him. Sure. Slow down a bit.
But he was not calling us or what?
We did not hear nothing. And we have to cross the Panamericana. More to the right, more to the right. One caution off-road. One caution off-road. 2 kilometers. We will catch the waypoint and we will turn left 9 o'clock. You see that a lot of people that will be there.
What will be?
Waypoint, and then we have to turn left 9 o'clock.
Oops.
Waypoint 600 meters in front. 500 in front. 400. 300. 200, 1 o'clock. Straight, 200. And left, okay, we have. Here. 600 meters waypoint in front.
Was not marked?
No. It's one caution off road. 200 meters waypoint in front.
Sorry?
200 meters waypoint in front. And we go straight. 100. Okay. One caution off road. 600 meters waypoint in front. Be careful, one caution off road. 311 o'clock.
Oh! Seba, that was not marked?
No,
Oh, come.
no. It was not one.
Really?
Yeah. You can see. No, this is just
Unbelievable.
this canyon is only marked on the right. But this is one caution off road. That's why they finish like this. Where we should have waypoint in front of us after some 700 meters. And then follow the trucks.
Follow trucks?
Yeah. Okay, we have to follow the trucks. Big downhill, one caution, big downhill, this one.
This one, yeah?
One caution, big downhill. One caution down. Waypoint 400 meters, 1 o'clock. When we will take the waypoint, we will turn right.
What do?
To the right.
Check. Done?
Okay.
No. Damn it. You have to think over. Change the strategy. How we go in? Check that.
Rostov is coming quicker.
Check the tracks.
Yes.
The route. Where are the tracks?
Go to the
Left.
left. Go to the left. To the right.
I don't see anything. Where are the tracks? To the right.
Straight.
Go.
Waypoint will be more to the right. Follow the tracks, then we will start. Okay. We'll press waypoint to the right. Okay, this one is triple caution. I'm okay with it. Triple caution down. Triple caution.
All the way down, he was tripping caution.
Yeah. 1.5 kilometers.
Where are we going?
Follow the tracks. Double caution. And now I go to the canyon.
Enter the canyon?
Yeah. Still double caution, twisty, narrow and stony.
Okay, please mark that we had one hit with front guard and another hit with front wheels. Please write for mechanics.
600 meters, we will take the exit. With triple caution to the right. With triple caution step up.
To the right?
Yes, to the right.
And how much?
500 meters.
3?
5.
know.
Yeah, but
I want to go to the finish.
We're froze and everything.
My back is bad, but it was bad from the first goal we hit. You okay?
This is
I see the finish.
kind of crazy.
I don't know how are you, but I'm happy.
Kind of. Okay, stop. Stop it. Tenth position on the stage.
I think more guys will come, maybe they will do better, but anyhow, thank you. I think we've done a great job.